Hello viewers, we are starting our lectures for JAMB and WAEC 2024 and it's going to be great. We're going to be solving past questions. We're going to be having lectures. So hit the subscribe button so that you follow us on our live classes. Every week we are going to be dropping lectures on this channel. So we're going to be solving past questions for JAMB, for your WAEC, so that you can get a very high score in your JAMB and smash your WAEC A's and good grades. That is our plan for you for 2024. Hit the subscribe button, like and share our channel so that anytime we release any video you see it and your friends can also see what we're doing. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be continuing our series in our preparation for JAMB and WAEC 2024. And today we're going to be looking at solving a problem from JAMB Chemistry of 2023. And the question says, which of the following separation technique is extensively employed in the Gary processing industry? So separation technique is simply a method that you can use in separating components of a mixture. So we're looking at filtration, crystallization, sieving, and distillation. When we look at Gary processing, we'll find out that the process or the method, the separation technique that most suits a stage in Gary production should be filtration, because crystallization is simply when you can form crystals out of the evaporation of some certain components of the mixture of a solution. Sieving is something that you can do when you have a sieve, so you can sieve out things of different sizes. Whereas distillation is a separation process that you can use in separating components that have different boiling points. So filtration is a method that you always encounter whenever you're doing Gary processing. So the right answer is A. Please, if you got any value in this video, hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.